Shawn, Shawn and Shawn.
Going.
Well, it's pretty awesome. Thanks for agreeing to do the give me your race video.
Yeah,
So
absolutely. I'm glad that you're wanting to, make some cool footage with it and make a cool video out of it, and that's awesome. I think we need more of this kind of thing in this sport just to kind of get any sort of attention we can from outsiders.
yeah, let's just talk through the track real quick. So, kind of right out of the gate, like how did you break up the course and kind of what did you maybe just kind of talk through some of the key sections.
So I really enjoyed the first like 40 seconds of the track, just like super high speed, like tucking over those big jumps into the Suntour hole shot uh, speed trap. Anyways, but as soon as you get through that fast section, you have the first super loose, dusty left-hander into this wood section, and that was kind of like my make it or break it point of the track.
Okay.
For the most part, there was like basically two make it or break it spots. It was that left-hander coming into that first bit of woods, and because the ruts were changing every lap, and so
Mhm.
like you would nail the rut one lap and it'd be perfect, set you right up into the woods, and then the next lap you take that rut and it takes you like outside of the tape into the tree. So you couldn't trust the ruts and you had to just make your own line through there. So once I figured that out on like day 2 or 3, I started hitting that line. And as soon as I would get there, I was like just feeling like, all right, let's go, we're on. And so you have that first wood section there, which is not much, not really too technical or anything. And then you come out, just a short little ski run into the super loose, steep off camber right-hander corner that everyone was kind of puzzling the
Okay.
whole weekend. And that was my second make it or break it spot of the track. So a lot of times I just didn't hit the support. I didn't hit the catches real well, and just kind of bounced out and just lost all my speed. Like had to put a foot down or just something like that. So if I just slowed down a little bit more there, just got through that like a little bit cleaner, and then just started letting
Mhm.
up the brakes through the next rock sections. Then I was like, I felt like I was good to go for the rest of the whole track. So just
Okay.
again, the Monster Energy Pro Series, Clay, his whole team, Julie, all the ladies, all the guys, just absolutely flawless. It's amazing. They make the racers feel good.
Hey, Shawn, thank you so much for
Yeah,
coming to do this, and I look forward to sharing your race run and hearing more about how my dream bike does in the future.
yeah, for sure. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, Kai. Yeah, baby.
That is insane. Tripled it, yeah, that is insane. Just because look what you're landing into.